What's going on, guys? Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. Today, we're doing something I've never done on the history of this channel. I've had this channel for years now, have yet to ever do this. And that is, we're doing a live unboxing from Live Bearded of their brand new, I'm guessing their brand new seasonal scent, ULLR, I can't pronounce that thing. ULLR is in here. I'm hoping so. I've been waiting for this bad boy. Have not opened this. So you can see, let me cover my address there so none of you internet weirdos come and try to like kill me and eat me or something. I don't know. It is sealed. Let's open this bad boy up. There we go. It did not make the cool sound effect that I thought it was going to make, but either way, here we go. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, yeah, I'm already excited. Look at that. That is a brand new hat from Live Bearded. Your boy here has been wearing the same Live Bearded hat for like 4 years now, so greatly appreciate that. Ooh, we got some goodies in here. These aren't available on the website yet, but they will be very soon, I've been told. Oh man, that fits comfortably. Man, that feels nice. So nice. Guys, it's Friday afternoon. I'm almost done with work. A little bit excited about the weekend, ready to get going. So yeah, here we go. All right, let me throw that on the dome. I like that. Again, I'll post when these are actually live. I know it's gonna be pretty soon. There we go, guys. ULLR. I think this is the god of the winter north. Something like that. Love their packaging. All right, so we got the beard conditioner. Got the beard wash. Got beard butter. And I hope, yeah, okay. Got a little scared there. Got some beard oil here, got a little, the fragrance of winter. From all of us here at Live Bearded, thank you for ordering ULLR. I can't say it, man. We love creating these seasonal fragrances for you, and your support means the world to us. We cannot wait to hear your feedback on this one. With with the winter scent, that's what I'm gonna call it, we set out to capture the power of the warmth of winter, from the majestic snow-capped peaks to a warm crackling fire in a mountain cabin. Crafted with a crisp winter mint, warm tonka bean, and a touch of coconut, ULLR is a journey into the heart of winter. It awakens your senses, sharpens your mind, and makes you smell really freaking good. Legends aren't born, they're made, and we sincerely hope you enjoy the seasonal release as much as we did creating it. If you need anything, we're just a phone call away. Live brave, live bold, live bearded. Spence and Mink. Appreciate that, guys. I actually might hold on to this. I like that. That's kind of cool. And then we also got a grateful wristband. All right, let's open this up. I ordered a few different oils. So, let's see what we got here. Oh, got an 1880. Needed to restock that. Got another American. I was all out of that. And here we go, guys. Throw this down here. This is what we've been waiting for. ULLR. I even went and watched some of their videos on this so I can pronounce it correctly. But how's that working out for you? Love the packaging on this. So again, this is mint, tonka bean, and coconut. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let's get that ASMR going. So this is the first time I've used this, first time I've smelled it. You're gonna get a live reaction here. Oh my God, it's horrible. I'm just kidding, I'm kidding. All right, let's get it in beard. Might have gone a little overboard there. Oh, wow. I've heard some people describe it as like a winter version of Maui, and I can totally see that. It's minty. I get like a minty suntan lotion almost. That's really good. Oh man, that's so unique. I've never smelled anything like that. It's like suntan lotion with like crisp mint to it. Oh man, that's really good. All right, that's the oil. We're gonna throw in some beard butter here too. You know I love my Live Bearded beard butter. Comb it through. Man, that is unique. It's like, it's captured winter. It's like, imagine it being snowy outside, it's cold, you're breathing, you can see your breath. You get like the warmth and the mint, the chill of the mint, but then like the tonka bean and the coconut is really pleasant. It's like kind of sweet. It reminds me of snow cream. Y'all know what snow cream is? I grew up in Northern Virginia outside of DC. We didn't do snow cream. I met my wife down here in Southern Virginia. And first time it snowed, we made snow cream. And it's like you collect the snow and you add different sweeteners and ingredients to it. And it's almost like ice cream made out of snow. But they call it snow cream. That's kind of what this reminds me of. It's really nice. I love this. All right, let's get some of the beard butter in. We're going to use this tonight in the shower. I have a feeling that's going to be my go-to for the winter. All right, let's pop a top. We're almost there. Come on. There we go. Ooh, that needs to settle down. I don't want to waste all that. All right. That's what we're going to throw in right now. I'm going to put the lid back on that because I want to keep all that. We'll do that off camera. All right. I love the consistency of their butter. Oh, the butter's almost even stronger scented. I love it. Man, y'all freaking killed it at Live Bearded. This might get a double phenomenal. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Oh, guys, No BS 10, dropping a link below, pick this up. They sell it in a few different beard kits now. I think it might have a shirt to go along with it. But they outdid themselves. Rub our excess butter on the arms. All right, guys. That is my initial review of ULLR. Let's smell these real quick, too. I just want to make sure, they smell similar. I don't want to steer you wrong. That's the wash. Definitely smells soapy, but then you get a little bit of the... Oh, that's good. That's really nice. As y'all love to call me, Live Bearded's #1 fanboy over here. Well, I'm fanboying hard over this scent. It's good. This is probably one of the best seasonals they've done in a long time. All right, we got our conditioner. Oh, that's nice. You really get the mint in the conditioner. Oh, opens up the airways, noseways. It's Friday, like I said. Been working all week. It's been a long week. Guys, that is ULLR, the God of Winter from Live Bearded. Really freaking phenomenally good. Highly suggest you pick this one up. All right, I will stop rambling. I could go on and on about this one. It is really good. It's clean. Oh, it's inviting. It's fresh snow. It's wintertime in a bottle. They did an awesome job on this one. Highly recommend you pick this bad boy up. Again, Oh, I didn't even mention, this is like a limited edition. This just dropped today to the general public. They only have so much made. So if you're thinking about it, jump on it quick. It probably will not last the weekend. Their stuff tends to sell out pretty quick. So there you go, guys. As always, thanks so much for watching. God bless you. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.